Learn with Nimbus!
Look, which one can fly?
Jet plane! A jet plane can fly! A jet plane carries many people high in the sky. Its wide wings hold it up in the air. Can you say jet plane? Yes, jet plane!
Look, which one can fly?
Propeller plane! A propeller plane can fly! A little plane has a propeller that spins on its nose. The spinning propeller pulls it through the air. Can you say propeller plane? Yes, propeller plane!
Look, which one can fly?
Blimp! A blimp can fly. A blimp is lighter than air, so it floats. It drifts slowly and gently, like a cloud. Can you say blimp? Yes, blimp!
Look, which one can fly?
Seaplane? A seaplane can fly. A seaplane can land right on the water. It has floats instead of wheels. Can you say seaplane? Yes, seaplane!
Look, which one can fly?
Drone! A drone can fly! A drone has little blades that spin to lift it up. It is small and hums in the air. Can you say drone? Yes, drone!
Look, which one can fly?
A biplane. A biplane can fly. A biplane has two wings, one on top of the other. Two wings help it turn and loop in the sky. Can you say biplane? Yes, biplane!
Look, which one can fly?
Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon can fly. A hot air balloon has warm air inside to lift it up. It floats up high and drifts slowly. Can you say hot air balloon? Yes, hot air balloon!
Look, which one can fly?
Fireplane. A fireplane can fly. A fireplane carries a big load of water. It gently pours the water down from the sky to help. Can you say fireplane? Yes, fireplane.
Look, which one can fly?
Rocket! A rocket can fly! A rocket goes straight up, up, up. It can fly all the way to space. Can you say rocket? Yes, rocket.
Look, which one can fly?
Helicopter. A helicopter can fly. A helicopter has big spinning blades on top. The blades lift it straight up into the sky. Can you say helicopter? Yes, helicopter!
Look, which one can fly?
Hang glider. A hang glider can fly. A hang glider has one big wing and no engine. A person hangs below and rides the wind. Can you say hang glider?
Yes! Hang glider! Look! Which one can fly?
Cargo plane. A cargo plane can fly! A cargo plane is big and carries heavy boxes. It has a wide, round belly to hold them. Can you say cargo plane? Yes, cargo plane. Now let's review. Can it fly? It flies. A jet plane flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A propeller plane flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A blimp flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A seaplane flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A drone flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A biplane flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A hot air balloon flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A fire plane flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A rocket flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies. A helicopter flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies! A hang glider flies up in the sky. Can it fly? It flies! A cargo plane flies up in the sky. You found all the ones that fly. Bye-bye.